perfectly. Oh, that was easy. I missed a step. Right, let's play with our silly buttons then. Boom. Where's the public view stream, just to have a look. Let me check my settings. Yeah, I got 4K. Ooh, marvelous what you can do with a little RX0. So I'm using my RX0 Sony, worked in on an encoder, worked in on a computer, going into an encoder program, and we are living at 4K at 20 megabits per second, 25 frames a second, and it is cool, it's working. So I missed a step. Previously I was only able to get 1440p out, but then I've gone and rejigged it, and it only works on an event. It doesn't work on stream now, so I'm actually changed that so that I can actually make it work on so I've got to run an event and then I can run 4K. Got it. So there's some thing, and I've got enough bandwidth at home now. They've rejigged my bandwidth so that I've got a 140 fiber connection, and they fixed that up. They've actually fixed it so that it's getting nearly 35 megabits per second, and so for the calculation I need about half of that for streaming, but it's pulling 20 megabits per second easy for an uplink stream, which is really, really good. So we're in. Let me go out again just for something different to do, and I can push these buttons. It looks cool. Whoops. I should push another stream, but we'll go in a bit more so we can actually see what's happening and all the rest of it. The other thing is they've done some configuration changes in YouTube so that when you start a stream using an event, you can actually press the automatic go live, so it just sorts itself out itself, which is so much easier than the old method, which used to have 2 steps. Facebook's got a very similar method as well, but this one works. You wouldn't believe this little camera. Yeah, the little sensor on this one. I've got the other Sony which will work too, but I haven't got that set up. I could actually get both of them if I feel like it, and make both of them work. That would be pretty good. Because, yeah, we're just fooling around, seeing I've got some time on a Monday to fool around. And also, and I can do it on one set of software and I can't do it on the other. But that's alright. That'll all work. Very good. Well, that's my streaming tester working. So it's actually working in 4K, which is what I wanted to do. See ya.